Show us where everything is. I'm going to follow you around here, and you and the boys can talk as we tour.
This is our combination living room, dining room, and kitchen. Right?
There's part of the kitchen. Okay.
And
starting there.
You can see we have a lot of counter space.
Dad, you didn't tell me what day it was.
But we do have a turkey-size oven.
And there's our microwave.
This is our pantry. This is our pantry up here, and our linen closet down here. A Japanese washer and a little Japanese dryer. And
how's that thing open up?
Gee, Mom, how do you read that?
And the directions are all in Japanese. And we're not sure that we're working it right, but
our clothes seem to be...
Look how small the dryer is.
And then we have a little tiny dryer that you can get about 2 towels in. Or 1 towel.
It takes you 5 days to dry.
And then here's our family bathroom. We have to take numbers to use the bathroom. Okay.
There's somebody in there using it. Oh, excuse me while we come in. Okay, we'll walk right in here and climb into the shower. This is quite a treat. Seeing how we're gonna grab the shower here and take a little shower. Okay. Now we'll come back out.
Why don't you show them down the toilet, Dad?
Come on out and show them Tom's room now.
We just say hello. Hello. How y'all doing?
Show them our camera.
Show them the camera, Dad.
And Tom's room always looks like this.
That's right. Ever since this morning.
We'll turn on some lights so we can see good.
This is the elegant base furniture.
And
That matches well.
What do you refer to that as?
Base furniture.
Tommy's got all of his goodies from home. They're all of the trophies and a few little things out. Sorry, Mandy, I didn't mean to step on you. And skateboard. And Tom's desk. And what's over here in behind these doors here, Tom? Or should we even up the window?
I have a better view.
Oh, wait, I gotta open it first.
This opens right up into the hallway out here, the hallway outside of our apartment. Those bars are not so much because Tommy's been a bad fella, but apparently for typhoon protection to keep things from breaking the glass, and I guess there is an element of security involved also.
Especially when there's a fire and you can't get out.
Yeah, for where I walk. It was just right here by David's door, just at the ready. He's got his golf bag there.
Just stepped on a skateboard.
Dad just decided to go for a ride there on a skateboard.
David, tell us about your room.
There's the computer, and
Tell them how your room doesn't always look like this.
I just cleaned it up so we could record.
And you can show them the view out your window.
Oh, yeah.
Of the nice...
Of the
And
laundry.
nice towels. Dad, show them the
Oh,
view
what's
out
it? Davis
window.
parks his bicycle in here, and the view out his window. Yep, there are his towels. A few things. But David does have a little view out here. He can make sure he can count skivvy shirts, towels, and he can see a little.
Japanese phone. They want to show them the Japanese phone.
And here's the Japanese dial tone.
Okay, and this is the living room.
It's pretty nice size. We're real comfortable.
Show them our new TV that we bought.
Here's our new TV that we're going to look at all the videos on that everybody sends us.
Yeah.
And it'll be just like having you here.
It's huge.
Where, can I turn it on, show them the nice picture?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And we just bought this the other day and have no place to put it, so it's sitting right here.
I'm going to turn on the
It's on
Japanese
screen.
And there's the screen.
That's like one.
And this goes out to the deck.
Oh, Japanese golf.
Be quiet, okay?
Dad, look, Japanese golf.
Mm-hmm.
Show Grandma.
Well, listen, see what he says.
あれはすごく飛んできたんで距離も出ました。
Oh, right down the middle of the fairway.
大丈夫なようです。
And the Japanese are
See, look,
aware
and
that
that's in
the
America.
10番のグリーンに戻ります。ワトキンスの返しのパーパット。
And we go on outside here.
sprinkling out here, but you can't see the water barely
Nice deck.
through the picture.
Yes, so way out there, you can see the water.
I was just showing them how it wasn't none of good stuff. They just all the jackets.
And we got, that's right, today is the 23rd of November, 1986.
3:51.
And it's, what time is it?
3:51.
3:51 in the afternoon. She hasn't changed much. She's learned how to go to the bathroom on asphalt. And there is more of our view out of the town.
That's where that rooster lives over there.
And looking back down the other side of our porch. Where's that rooster live?
Right down in that courtyard thing.
Oh, down in there? Oh, right.
Where that dog came
Well,
running
there's a
back.
real nice courtyard that's close by there.
This is David's room. Window. Right over here.
It's pretty windy today. You're probably going to hear a little bit of that wind rustling through the microphone into 20, 30 mile an hour gusts. Like Judy said, that some part of that tornado coming through here.
45 knots.
It's slowed raining. It's not raining as much.
But we usually have a real pretty view with the water real blue like Hawaii, and it's not real pretty today.
Dad, show me your car parked down there.
Oh yeah, you can see part of my car that's parked down over here, over the side. Kind of, this is one of the cars here.
It's a Honda Accord.
Honda Accord. It's of course right-hand drive, automatic, and our other car is parked out front. We're kind of looking out the back here right now, and again you can see the water way out there in the rain clouds. So it's a little cloudy and overcast today. Well, that's about it, isn't it?
No, we have our room,
Oh, that's right. We have one more bedroom.
which is also the ironing room.
Oh yeah, the maid lives in here.
But we've put the ironing board away for this special occasion.
Show them what it'd normally be.
This is some type of a cabinet that they put in. Gave it to us at the last minute, just what we wanted. We didn't know what it was, but we used it for storage, cramming in a few things.
And we are enjoying our pretty base furniture that we get.
Lovely.
Here's your air conditioner.
And we're real happy to have our bed. We've got our own bed.
Kinda.
But this is a fairly large room too, so
Mm-hmm.
Here's
by
the Japanese
Japanese
air conditioners. These are pretty good.
by Japanese standards, this is a real big
House.
place, and that's why this whole
By
unit.
Japanese standards, it's pretty nice. It was clean and it's new, and it has a turkey-size oven, among other things. And the big drawback, I guess, is the furniture, isn't it, Judy?
Well,
Just kind of a lack of having a few things that you wanted
We're
to have.
just kind of crowded, and there's no place to go but this one room, so.
Really makes it kind of bad on a rainy day.
I know.
No place really to go.
Mom, the stove is on.
And I miss my kitchen.
Stove is
I
on.
know, I'm cooking. I miss my big kitchen in Virginia. But then again, we didn't bring as much stuff with us, so. It's not
Mhm.
too bad. But it looks like Jim heard the other day that it should be probably around January when we get to move on base, so we're fine here until then. In fact, we still have a lot of things we wanna do while we're out here, because we enjoy walking into town. And
Yeah, I like going to the arcade a lot.
How far is that, Tom?
Oh, it's not even a 5-minute walk.
it's right by the donut
Yeah, it's right
place.
next. It's near the donut place. There's
What time
several
is it?
arcades.
That's
About
also where
five
we
of
like to go. We like to go to Dunkin' Donuts a lot.
That's where we went yesterday morning, wasn't it?